finding yourself overwhelmed with the plethora of activities the school requires you to do, we have come up with an amazing AI upskilling module in the name of My AI Path. Check out for more.
Would like to ask you a few questions here. Where was it the recent time when you used AI? More importantly, if I talk about the word AI, then what is that first thing that comes to your mind? Is it just ChatGPT or something else?
Not only ChatGPT, you should look how they make it. Usually when you grow up, there's going to be a lot of AI. It's not only about getting answers from ChatGPT. We should have more computer science classes because most of the schools only give once a week.
One of my friends is developing his own AI. I think we can start learning how to do that, and maybe try using all different platforms and see how the answers are.
We could also use AI to find out the problems of the world, meaning there's world hunger, there's pollution. We could use AI and they could teach us how to use AI to kind of solve those problems, or not solve but improve the situation on them.
So I'll give you a situation over here. For example, you're running short of time and there's a 2-hour-long YouTube video, right? And you want to gain insights of it because your school exams are nearing. Maybe you have your school exams tomorrow itself, right? So do you have any shortcut by using AI through which you can just derive insights out of that YouTube video to make crisp notes out of it?
One app called Notebook Alarm.
Good.
Yeah.
Same thing what he said, you could just give it to some AI, any AI, you could ask them to summarize the whole video. They can give you small bullet points in a manner that everything is covered, but it's easier to.
And lastly, in the domain of AI, I want to ask one question. Ever since the addition of AI in your life, I want to ask this, that has AI made your life easier or lazier?
I think in most situations it's been easier, but I think I've noticed myself not doing more work through normal research and depending a lot more on AI.
So, if there is a platform which kind of enlightens you more on how you're going to use AI effectively, not to copy anything, to do your homework and become lazier and dependent on it, do you suggest that on 29th we do a short AI literacy session, and we'll not go gaga over AI there? We'll first check with you what your skill is and how you can personally use AI on that platform. So do you think it will be useful for you?
Yeah.
Would you like to attend a session like that? Okay, great, amazing. So I think we have had a fair bit of idea about what kids are doing these days with AI, right?